folks, it's Sarah. Today I have featured the Breckwell, the SW500, and I want to talk to you guys about burn times and what to expect with this particular unit. So it is a very small firebox. It only holds about an 11-inch log, so that is definitely something to keep in mind. My experience with burn times is the unit does burn pretty hot, especially when wide open, which can be a really nice feature if you're looking to heat your space up quickly. This is a nice little steel stove, so it's going to heat up very quickly and produce that heat very quickly. What I'm seeing with burn times on a low burn, well, I'll give you my high burns first. So on a high burn, you are gonna burn through a full box of firewood in probably about 2 to the 3 hour range is what I'm getting off of this. I am burning pine. If you are burning a hardwood, then obviously you're probably gonna get a little bit longer burn times. What I'm noticing on a complete shutdown for an overnight burn is somewhere between 7 to 8 hours. So depending on how long you sleep, you know, you can get that overnight burn where you have some coals and it's really easy to restart it. Overall, this stove is super easy to light up. So if it did go out in the middle of the night, it really wouldn't be a huge deal. So that's my experience in burning it. For the size of the stove and the size of the firebox, I'm impressed with the burn times. I've been really happy with the overall burn of the stove. I had just maybe a little bit of black around the edges of the glass, but not much at all. And it's around the edges of the door, so it didn't interfere with the fire at all. This is what it looks like when the fire has been burning down a bit. I reloaded it about, an hour and a half ago, and I would say it's like halfway. I'm gonna get about, well, maybe it's actually been about 2 hours since I loaded it up. I probably got another hour left. Again, this is a wide open burn. On the lower burn, it's gonna be about 7 hours is what I would say. 8 might be a stretch, but probably with a hard wood, may be able to achieve. I hope that you guys find these videos helpful, informational, and educational. If you guys do like my videos, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. Also, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for being here. God bless. Have a wonderful day.